sky so blue. Ahmed heard a little meow or two. Behind the bush in the fading light, a tiny kitten, thin and white. He said, "Don't worry, little one, your lonely days are almost done. I'll bring you milk, I'll keep you warm, I'll be your shelter in the storm." He ran to the shop, a coin in hand, bought some milk just as he planned. The kitten drank, its eyes grew bright, and purred beneath the fading light. He said, "Don't worry, little one, your lonely days are almost done. I'll bring you milk, I'll keep you warm, I'll be your shelter in the storm." The clouds rolled in the very next day. The rain came down, and would it go away? Ahmed looked out with a worried heart. He couldn't bear to be apart. He found the kitten cold and wet, a sight he'd never soon forget. He wrapped it close, took it home to stay, and love bloomed bright that rainy day. He said, "Don't worry, little one, your lonely days are finally done. You're safe with me, you'll feel no harm. You found your home, your heart is warm." And from that day, through sun and storm, they walked together, safe and warm.